Hello students, today we are going to start science session 3, chapter number 3, reactions of metal, and topic is how do metals react. First of all, we'll see how do metals react with water, and then we'll see how do metals react with acids, and after that we'll see how do metals react with air or with oxygen. So first of all, let's see reactions of metal with water. Reactions of metals with water. When any metal reacts with water, hydrogen is always given off. The other product will be either a metal hydroxide or a metal oxide. It means that when any metal react with water, we get product metal oxide or a metal hydroxide. We can have two products and hydrogen gas is always given off. Okay. Now hydrogen gas is always produced with these metal oxides or metal hydroxide. Here I have given some equations, you have to complete it. For example, sodium is a metal, okay, and water, so you will get metal oxide. So what will you write here? You will get metal oxide or metal hydroxide. Now metal and water, it can be sodium, it can be potassium, and write down water, and what will you get? You can get metal oxide or metal hydroxide. Okay. Reactions of metals with acid. Okay, let me explain it more class. When metals are put into water, some reacts and some do not. And sodium and potassium react violently with water, and they giving off lots of hydrogen gas, and they form alkalis, and they form hydroxides. Alkalis mean hydroxides. For example, sodium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. Okay, and there are so many metals which I have not mentioned, like magnesium, and magnesium react very slowly with cold water but reacts violently with steam. Okay. Reactions of metals with acids. You know, acids are quite reactive than water. So when metal reacts with an acid, it gives off hydrogen gas which can be popped using a lead splint. The other product is a salt. It means that when metal and acid reacts, we get two products. One is salt and other is hydrogen. So we get salt and hydrogen gases given off. Two things we get, salt and hydrogen. Now for example, you have metal magnesium. Magnesium is a metal, and which acid you have? You have hydrochloric acid. Now what will you get? Salt. The name of the salt will be magnesium chloride, and which gas will be given off? Hydrogen gas will be given off. Okay. Now you have to solve these equation by understanding this equation. Okay. Again let me explain you more. When metals are put into acids, dilute acids, we generally use dilute acids. Okay. A few unreactive metals do not react with acids, just as they do not react with water. However, some metals such as magnesium, which do not react with cold water, do react with acids, producing lots of hydrogen gas. As I told you that it will produce a lots of hydrogen gas. Okay, and metals such as calcium, sodium and potassium, they react so violently with acids. Okay, so that is why we should never be added these metals into the acid. Reactions of metals with oxygen. When a metal reacts with oxygen, it will form a metal oxide. This is what happens when a metal rusts. You know, when metal rusts, when we leave metal in the air, so what happens? Rusting takes place on that metal. So we make this reaction happen quicker by burning the metal. If we want rusting, we can burn this metal and we will get reaction more quicker. Now when metal and oxygen react, what happens? We get metal oxide. Now how will you solve this equation? For example, you have magnesium and you have which oxygen, what metal you have? Magnesium, and you have oxygen. So you will get magnesium oxide. If you have metal copper and oxygen, so what will you do? You have to solve it yourself now. Okay. Okay class, I have given some equations. You just have to recognize the given reactions with acid, oxygen and water. Just name which reaction represent reaction with acid. For example, lithium and water. So lithium is a water, lithium is a metal, and this is a water. So lithium is a metal. So this is the reaction of reaction with water. And if this is acid, so you will write down reaction with acid. Okay. Hope you understand this lecture class. Take care.